In this video, let us try to understand what is cloud computing. Cloud computing provides as a means by which we can access the application as utilities over the internet. It allows us to create, configure and customize application online. With cloud computing, users can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of actual resources. So what is cloud? The term cloud refers to network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide service over internet, that is on public network or private network, that is WAN, LAN, VPN. Applications such as email, web conference, customer relationship management all run in cloud. Then what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. Cloud computing is both the combination of software and hardware based computing resources delivered as a network service. Let us see some basic concept of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end user. Following are the working model for cloud computing. The first one is deployment model and next one is service model. Deployment model defines the types of access to the cloud, that is, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. In deployment models, public cloud allows system and service to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness, for example email. And private cloud. This private cloud allows system and service to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. Community cloud allows system and services to be accessible by group of organization, and hybrid cloud is mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. And second one is service models. Service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. These can be categorized into three basic service models as listed below: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are the three service models. Software as a service is used by end user, and platform as a service is used by software developer, and infrastructure as a service is used by infrastructure architect. Infrastructure as a service is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable service. Infrastructure as a service provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machine, virtual machine, and virtual storage. These are the some examples of infrastructure as a service: entity communication and AT&T. And second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service provides the runtime environment for application development and deployment tools, etc. This is provide all the facilities required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering web application and service entirely from the net. Typically, applications must be developed with a particular platform in mind. These are the some examples of platform as a service. For example, Amazon Web Services, Rockspace, and Salesforce.com. These are the some examples. And the final one is software as a service. This model allows to use software application as a service to end user. This software delivers methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and its function remotely as a web-based service. And here are some example of software as a service. For example, Facebook and NetSuite and Salesforce.com. And do you use the cloud? Yeah, this is the answer for you. We can use LinkedIn, YouTube, and Gmail. So this is explained. We use the cloud. Here we listed some advantages of cloud computing. This is lower computer cost, improved performance, reduced software cost, instant software update, and etc. Every technology has some pros and cons. Likewise, cloud computing has some disadvantages. So that is requires constant internet connection, does not work well with low speed connection, and can be slow, stored can be lost, stored data might not be secure. These are the some disadvantage of cloud computing. I hope you might understand what is cloud computing, and thank you for watching.